just a quick one. This one, what we've got here are EVO 4 to 9 Brembos. See them there. I've just recently had these Cerakoted. I don't know whether you can see on it. It's a lot darker. It looks really light on the camera. And then new Project Mu pads. Reason for this video is these are going on my JZX90. They'll also fit JZX100. And the way you make it work is 350 millimeter EVO X rotors, so not the rotors that go with this, 350 millimeter EVO X rotors. They're sitting in the front of the car, and these dog bones. So they are by, they say Stealth on them, but they are by Matt, and he works at 6 Boost. That's all I know. So if you can track that guy down in Australia, you can order these. They come with these hub-centric rings. You need 2 of them. I've got a spare because I lost one and bought a new pair. And a pair of EVO Brembos. So rotors, brakes, dog bones, and it comes with this. Couldn't tell you how much they cost. At a guess, I think it was 250 or 300 Australian dollars. If you want to know what that is in your currency, type it into Google. So yeah, that's it basically. I'm not going to go through how to get your calipers Cerakoted. You can fucking work that out yourself. Reason I've got Project Mu pads, and these are NSC, I think is the compound. I did have Ferodo pads, and it's in another video that I've got. And I talk about why you should shorten your uprights and lengthen your LCAs. So if you're interested in that, go check that out. But in that video you can see the mess that the Ferodo pads that I used to have in there made to my wheels. So, and they also wiped out the rotors as well. So hopefully, like I've got Project Mu, I think they're even this compound in the back for the handbrake shoes and for the rear brakes, and so they make very, very little dust, and so we've got them in the front now. So there you go. That is how to EVO 4 to 9 Brembos on JZX90, JZX100. I imagine 110's the same. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.